So hello guys, today I'll be running through a live case study on one of the B2C campaigns which we have worked recently on an end-to-end digital transformation journey, by which we have not only helped the client to increase some of the key important statistics, but we'll also label out the strategies which we have rightfully used for the campaign. So this is the campaign Incrediwear, which is excellent seller of knee sleeves or heated knee sleeves. Now what we did is very simple. We first identified their objective. So their main objective was that their traffic was deteriorating and their traffic value was going down and their essential important keywords were losing in the rank. So when we first observed, we found that Google Panda, Google Hummingbird and the Google RankBrain were not falling. In other words, their contents were not satisfying the intent of the users. So we came out with 3 C's: content type, content angle and the content format. So during the content type, we first segregated that into 4 areas: blogs, the product and services, the categories and their landing pages. And then on the content format, for their blogs, we utilized the how-to guidelines, the stepwise guide. For their categories, we labeled out the comparisons. For their products, we labeled out their reviews, their customer, like the product descriptions. And lastly, for their landing pages, we highlighted their main unique selling points. Now we have segregated a topic clustering model for all of their 4 segments of pages, and then we have found essential keywords. For example, the long tail keywords targeting the blogs, the exact match keywords targeting the landing pages, and we have restructured their entire campaign. As a result of that, as you can see from the screen, this is the result which we have achieved. But things does not end here. We also enhanced their user experience as well, from the core web vitals to the mobile structure to their site architecture. For core web vitals, we reduced their JavaScript, implemented lazy loadings, performed compression of their images and so on. And then for enhancing their mobility issues, we literally fixed their mobility issues from a mobile first indexing point of view. Seeing, as you can see from the screen, we were literally green on all the areas. Lastly, we tried to maintain a good level of navigation for the entire campaign, maintaining a flat hierarchy so that the entire structure is smooth to crawl for both the bots and the humans, and we made no errors as possible. The end result, this is in front of you. Thanks for watching.